In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a cell's color when a checkbox is checked in Google Sheets. This is really useful if you're tracking tasks, attendance, or anything where you want a quick visual cue when something is done. We're going to use a built-in feature called conditional formatting, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you already have a checkbox in your sheet. If you don't, just select the cell or range where you want checkboxes. Go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Checkbox. You should now see small checkboxes in those cells. When they're checked, they show a tick mark. When they're unchecked, they're empty. Behind the scenes, a checked box is treated as true and an unchecked one as false, and we'll use that in our formatting rule. Next, decide which cells you want to change color. This could be the same cells that contain the checkboxes, or maybe the cells next to them, like task descriptions in column A while the checkboxes are in column B. Click and drag to highlight the range you want to format. For example, you might select A2 to A20 if those are your task names. Now, go to the top menu and click on Format, then choose Conditional Formatting. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see the range you just selected. Below that, you'll see a drop-down labeled Format Cells If. Open that drop-down and choose Custom Formula Is. This option lets you write a simple formula that tells Google Sheets when to apply the formatting. In the formula box, you'll type a condition that checks whether the corresponding checkbox is checked. For example, if your checkboxes are in column B and you're formatting column A, you might type something like =, then the cell reference for the first checkbox, such as equals B2 true. The key idea is, format this cell when the checkbox in this row is true. Once the formula is in place, choose the formatting style you want. Click the Fill Color icon and pick a background color, like green for completed tasks. You can also adjust text color or make it bold if you like. As soon as you set the style, you should see a preview in your sheet. Any row where the checkbox is checked will now change to the color you chose. Finally, click Done in the Conditional Formatting panel. Test it out by checking and unchecking a few boxes. The cell or row should instantly switch colors based on the checkbox status. If something doesn't look right, reopen the conditional formatting rules. Double-check your range and formula, and adjust them until the behavior matches what you want.